math dot min. Let's try 5, 8, 7, 6, 2. Automatically it will return the smallest value of whatever the given values. If I go here, it will print 2 and 8. See? Is it clear, ma? Now, next, console.log math.seal. Seal. The seal one is there in other ones also. Seal means it will give upper value. Imagine you are taking one pointer decimal values. The pointer decimal values will have upper value and lower value. Seal will always prefers upper value, and floor will always prefers the lower value. Let me give you an example here. For example, here, see, you are taking one number 2.412. If I give 2.412, 2.412 is between 2 and 3. Are you getting my point, ma? 2.412 is between 2 and 3. If I give math.seal, in the seal, if I give 2.412, here we have two options. One is 2, one is 3. So it will go to 3. It is not rounding it up. When rounding it up, what it will do, it will check the nearest one. But here it will not check the nearest one. It will check it always upper value. And in floor, it will check always lower value. So answer for this 2.412 will be 3. And similarly, console.log math.floor here 2.8513. Can anyone guess, sir? Acha, can anyone tell me the answer for this? If I give math.seal, just think and tell. Math.seal, if I give minus 2.412. How it will be minus 1? Ma, it will be between minus 2 and minus 3. Minus 2 or minus 3? Answer is minus 2. For the people who are thinking minus 3, minus 2 is greater than minus 3. Do you know that? Don't know, number line chapter will be there, 6th class. Okay? Now, so that's a simple one. Next one, console.log math.round. Round works automatically same. If it is 0.5 or greater than 0.5, it will be the next number. If it is less than 0.5, it will be the same number, sir. So let's go with 2.612. Answer will be barabar. Any doubts in these things? We are just checking on some couple of default methods. These methods, we are not writing any program. We are just checking how those things works only. Okay. Now, last but not least, guys, last but not least, there is one method which we will use most of the times. The math method which we use most of the times. Math.random. Math.random. It returns a random number between 0 and 1. Sir, it will return a random number between 0 and 1. Like, for example, 0.4123, 0.0145, 0.9132. It will never return 0. It will never return 1 also. Boys, focus here. Now, is there any doubt still now, ma? Can anyone tell me where I can use practically this particular math.random? OTPs. Excellent. OTPs, captchas. Good, captchas. Any other? Huh? New QR code. QR codes are not random actually, you know that? QR codes are not random ones. People will generate based on us. Like imagine I put my website random QR code, it will go to payment to random people. Okay? And it should come to my account. Now, random passwords. Yes, password generation. Some website automatically generates passwords. Password generation can be done. Any other? Generating ID, generating you can do any other generations. Now, okay, let's take this OTP ma. Now, if I give this math at random, everyone think about it. When I give math at random, I'm getting 0.24 something. If I refresh it every time, I will get different answer. But can anyone give you OTP like 0.65 ma? OTP will be 4 digit or 6 digit something kind of code. Now tell me how to get 4 digit OTP from this particular number. What? Range. What range, Ray? Multiplier. Multiplied by? Multiplied by 10,000. If you do 4 digits, it will go out. Then you will get something like this. Or, or, see? Any doubts, ma? Any doubts here? No. If you are getting an OTP like this, then point values, I want to remove the point values. If I put method round, use round or floor. Problem is you should not use round. Why? If I use round, sir, imagine 999 point something happened or 49 point something happened. 49 point something happened. It will automatically go to the bigger one and 10,000 it will become. 5 digit it will become. So better to use math.floor. Or someone in the online suggested 2 precision 4. That is actually a good logic, which will go with exactly 4 digits. Any other, sir? Now, okay, now another doubt. Sir, I don't want this all. I want to create one dice game. You know, snakes and ladders. So I have one die. The die has to show 1 to 6 only. I want answers either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Randomly it should come. Numbers. I don't want till 10,000. Anyone can give me answer. I want it like 1 to 6. Random number. Multiplied by 100. 10. If you do multiplied by 10, what if you get 9? 7. Good logic, sir. I think you guys don't know the mathematics. Basically, sir, if you multiply it by 7, always you will get remainder 0 to 6 only. You will never get remainder more than 7. That is the basic logic, na? Multiplying by 10 also. See, in reality, in childhood, they will tell you if you multiplied by 10, point will go right side. In reality, point will never go right side. In remainder, it will come like that. You got my point, ma? So you can use this. If I do this math at random multiplied by 7, that means indirectly, I will tell you this logic. See, always 0.02, 1.0, it will come. Right or not? Imagine if I multiplied by 7, sir. So what it will happen? What is the minimum value now? I 0 into 7. 1 into 7. So automatically now your answer will between 0 to 7. And if I use math floor, always I will get 0 to 6. Any doubts? No. Sir, what? But you wanted 1 to 6, right or not? So there comes the problem. Instead of multiplying with 7, if I multiplied with 6, I will get it always 0 to 5 and I will add 1. Are you getting my point, ma? Any doubts here? Because maximum value you can change, minimum value you can never change. It's a 0. You can't do anything with it. Did you all understand my logic? Similar logic in your dice game or Ludo game or any other kind of things. Okay. Now, next. These are math methods till now. So let's keep a note of that, sir. We have some 3 methods, 2 fixed, 2 precision. What we discussed today. 2 string. 2 fixed. It rounds up value to certain digits after decimal. So you will give after decimal how many digits you want, then it will work. Or it rounds up value to certain digits significantly. Significantly means from starting, it's like completely. Or to string. It can convert number to string or string of or any other base number like binary, octal, hexadecimal, it can convert. Any doubts, sir? Math methods, we don't need to write it bigger things. Basically, it is same. Okay. Now, I'm just giving in a basic logic. We can also use math methods. That's like SQRT, CBRT, ABS, seal, floor, random, pow, max, min. Anything more I missed? I don't think so. Mostly we use this. Sir, any doubts, sir, till now in the class? It's going good only, na? So we are actually going slow only. Slowly, we will increase the speed. No worries. Now, can we move forward? Now comes the most interesting part. Strings. In JS, we can use strings in 3 ways. We can use the strings in 3 ways. First one, single quotes. Or second one, double quotes. Or backticks. Backticks. You can use a string in single quotation or double quotation or a backtick. Backtick is actually recently started. Anyway, single quotation and double quotation don't have any difference, ma. You can declare a string in single quotation or double quotation. It will not have any differences. But a good programmer will use throughout the programming any one only. Like one time single, one time double will confuse you only, but not the compiler. According to compiler, दोनों same है. Okay. Now, if I write it here, go here. If I write it string, imagine if I write it here, a value Prasad, comma, b value, or let b equals to Prasad. Now, basically same. Both are strings only. Are you getting my point, ma? Whether you declared with capital, double quotation Prasad or single quotation Prasad, it doesn't matter. But sir, then when to use what? Listen, there is only one condition you have to be careful. That condition is, imagine you are writing a string in double quotation. Inside the string, you need to put a double quotation again. Or there is a condition where you are writing a string in single quotation and inside a string you need to put a single quotation. Like I will tell you one example. See, like single quotation, the time is 12 o'clock. Sir, I wrote the time is 12 o'clock. But here it comes error. Can anyone guess why? Because the single quotation after 12, I gave something like, 12 o'clock that, oh, we will put na. The apostrophe, it is taking it as complete. So it is thinking it like the string is over here. According to its extra. So in that case, because you are using single quotation inside the string, better to put the string in double quotation. Online, are you getting my point, ma? Online, is it clear? Online, can you hear me? Yes, yeah, good. Yeah, let it be. Now, is it clear, ma? Yeah. In case if you are getting it inside something double quotation. For example, let me write it here. One more logic. Imagine I'm writing some quotations. The Gandhi said good night. Now, if I write a quotation that the Gandhi said good night, but here also it is a problem. Why? Because you embraced the string in double quotation and inside also you again use double quotation, which which breaks the string. So in that condition, I will use outside single quotation. Are you getting my point, ma? Except this, the JavaScript don't have any problem whether you use single or double. In other programming, like you will have it like single means character and double means string. Here nothing is like that. If you give one letter or also string, if you give 10 letter also string. Simple. Any doubts, ma? Is it clear? But there is another way. If you remember, I told you something called backtick is also there. The backtick is very important. The backtick is called template literal. Like I want to print this like let cost equals to 25 items equals to 4. Now I want to print console.log. I will write it here. The total is the total of the total of items
Hello?
with each
ఎలా
price
ఉంది అదే శిరీష గుడికెళ్ళిందండి
cost
వస్తుంది వచ్చేయండి చెప్తాను
is
నువ్వేం చేయట్లేదండి
cost
నాకండి
asterisk
మళ్ళీ మధ్యాహ్నం ఉంటుంది
items.
వెళ్ళాలి
Okay, now
నేను
everyone
నేను
focus
వెళ్తాను
here.
నేను
See the line
వస్తాను
number 20.
శిరీష
Can
వద్దు
anyone tell me the output of line number 20, ma? The cost of 4. Okay, I didn't write it items, na? Okay, I am wrong. The cost of 4 items with each price 25 is 100.
రేపు పొద్దున వస్తానని చెప్పింది
Any doubts in this? Normally, you can write like this. This is a easy way. The problem is, I break the paragraph here only 3 times.
బాగా చెప్తుంటాను
Every time stopping the paragraph, putting the plus, again keeping it plus, again writing the paragraph. Okay, that one will become more and more troublesome, sir. To solve this problem, like imagine I have a big paragraph,
ఏమోనండి మరి అంటే
something like
శ్రీకాకుళం
100
వెళ్ళిన తర్వాత
100
నాకు నాకు మార్నింగ్
100
పని
words or
ఉంటుంది
100 lines paragraph is there.
పలానా
In
టైంకి
that
అయిపోతుంది
paragraph I
అని
need to put
చెప్తాను
so many times some values.
సీరియస్గా కంటే కొంచెం
Okay,
తెలివి వచ్చింది
I
నాకు
need to
అట్లాగే అట్లా
generate a report, I need to send a mail through my program. In this case I need to put so many times the values, na? Every time I can't break the paragraph and write it right. Instead, you can continue the paragraph by filling up the dynamic values like this. Imagine
మీరు వెళ్ళాలంటున్నారా
if I do like this.
నేను ఎలా అనుకుంటున్నాను
Can anyone tell me what it will print, sir? The total cost of, will it print items cost? Because it is a string. But I wanted to print items cost. Let it work. Let me show it to you.
అంటే అటు ఇటు వెళ్తా
How do you do
ఉందండి
that?
ఇక్కడ ఉంది ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడే ఉంది దానికి కాదండి బాబు
Okay.
ఇక్కడ ఉన్నానే కానీ అది నాకే
Now
ఇలా
see,
కూడా
sir,
ఉంటుంది
this
అన్నమాట
one
అన్ని
will
ఎక్కువ
not
ఉంటాయి
print
ఎక్కువ
dynamic
ఉంటాయి
values, ma. This one will not print dynamic values. You can use plus for concatenation, but plus is for concatenation, but instead of using plus,
అంతే అది
instead of
ఫోన్
using
లేక
plus,
ఇలా అయిపోయిందో అలా
I
అయిపోయింది
wanted to write like this only, continuous paragraph. But wherever the value is there, that value should print. It should not print the string. Now it is printing the total of items. No, I want it like the total of 4 items, but I don't want to break the paragraph. Are you getting my point, ma? I don't want to break the paragraph, but I want the values to be dynamic, not the static. And in that case, you will use something called backtick. You can see that it is not a normal string, it is a backtick. If anyone don't know, in keyboard I will show you. This is the symbol of backtick. Beside escape it will be. Okay. Are you getting my point, ma? If you keep something in backtick. Sir, just because if you keep it backtick, now you know I got 2 problems. The biggest problem is, now can you read the string? The total of items. First item should be value, second item should be string. I should get it output like the total of 4 items. So sir, first items it should convert, sir. Second item it should not convert. So you don't know which one to convert, which one not. So you should tell. First step, keep it in backtick, and then whatever the value you want to give dynamically, for that value, give it dynamically dollar braces, and then give the value. Again, where do you want cost? Dollar braces. Then this. When you give something like dollar braces, automatically it will print its dynamic value. And this string is called template literal. What it is called, ma? Template literal is used to create a string without breaking the paragraph. Without breaking the paragraph, or no need to use concatenation operator. In the flow only, you want to print dynamic values. then you will use something called template string. That means you will put backtick, and wherever you want dynamic values, you will put dollar with braces. Is it clear? Any doubts? Any doubts, ma? Now, now. Let's do the task, ma, everyone. Let price is price is 300 rupees. Each item price is 300 rupees, which is constant. And this is a task, ma, everyone. Let quantity is 4. I bought 4 items. Tax rate. Tax rate. Tax rate is also constant.
Implementation is called step method.
18 percentage.
To create an
Calculate the total cost and print it using template literal in a nice form. Did you get my point, ma? Someone came to your shop and they bought it one item which is 300 rupees with a 4 quantity, and the actual tax rate it is 18%. So you will display the total cost of 4 items, each one of 300 rupees is certain value. Is it clear, sir? Make it only 2 decimals after points. Two digits after decimal. In decimal, 2 decimal digits only I want. Like taxation, I don't want bigger ones, na? 0.20 or something. 2 digits are enough. Come on, do it, ma. I want everyone to do it now. It's not a home activity. Do it now, quickly. What we have to print, I will write. We have to print in console the total cost of 4 items with each price 300 is whatever the value. You need to calculate and give this value, sir. Calculate the value and store it in a variable and put it. Online, is it clear the question? Use template literal. I am telling it before only, so that you will understand. If anyone got any doubt, you can let me know. If anyone completed also, let me know.
No instruction to
Done. Good. Good. So let me do it for the persons who can't. If you are trying it, you try on your own. So I will do price asterisk quantity. Asterisk is used for multiplication. That is same everywhere. Plus taxation is 18 percentage. I don't know how you do it. I will do normally. Okay, 0.18 into tax rate. Sorry. Huh? Total price na? Oh, again I have to put this na? Right. Then it will become something called result. So how do you print them? Console.log. You will put a backtick. The result cost of dollar quantity items with each price dollar price is dollar res, which is ending with backtick. Is it clear, ma? Good answer will be something 1416. Perfect. Any doubt, sir? Sir, without taking letters, we do directly in console, sir. Nothing will happen. Without taking letters also, you can directly do it in console. But I don't recommend that method. Why? Because what if in later I wanted to print the same bill in another place? Again, I have to calculate, na? Whenever you do a calculation, man, you don't know what will happen in that calculation. Always try to take it as a variable. For example, I just click on checkout in Amazon. It will show me in checkout page, na? It will also show me in my account page also. If I go to my login, in that also it will show, array, you saw something like 1416 cart tray, your cart is having this value and all. So it's showing in multiple pages. In multiple pages, if they calculate, calculation, it will take it more now time. Okay. So algorithm, it will take it like more kind of time complexity. So better not to do that. Can we do directly in calculation in console? That's what I told you just now. If you do it, it will print. But that is not a good practice as a programmer. Is it clear, ma? Yeah. No. Good. So I will update the things until now in GitHub, sir. Okay. We will have it like after the basic sessions. We will have one session for Git and GitHub also. Drive, I will check it on actually what is wrong with that. And until that, you can check it the notes which we wrote it also in the GitHub. It will be available, sir. Is it clear, ma? Tomorrow we will discuss string functions and we'll complete the primitive data types and we'll do something like arrays. Okay? Yeah. And if anyone have any doubts, you can come and ask me, sir. If no doubts, you can leave, ma. And I'm updating it in the GitHub. You can check it. Yeah.
Can we declare class?
Any practice
Can we
question?
declare
Again, one last question.
class?
We'll do tomorrow, ma. Actually, tomorrow we'll do more questions because tomorrow we will discuss something string functions, na? These are easy. Today's questions are. Don't worry. Huh? Online link, GitHub link. I don't know. Like you have to ask admin.
Can you create account
No,
and
from my
use
side, I know how to log in for mine only. Huh? ట్రేసెస్ ముందే డాలర్ సింబల్ యాక్సెప్ట్ చేసినాం అనుకో పెట్టేసినాం అనుకో మళ్ళీ తర్వాత పెట్టేదాం అవసరం లేదు సో మనం బ్యాక్ ట్రేస్ తీసుకుంటాం దాని మీద డాలర్ సింబల్ పెట్టేసినా మళ్ళీ ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ తీసుకోవడానికి ఎప్పుడు తీసుకోవడానికి మళ్ళీ ఎప్పుడు చెప్పు ఎక్కడ పెట్టమంటావు డాలరు ఇక్కడ పెట్టమంటావు డాలరు ఇదే కదా నువ్వు అనేది